And there'll be an impulse will be set up in the string, that is JT. Impulse J is applied. There's a difference. So just after impulse, we can see this particular motion here. Okay, let's write. So J cos theta. So I'll write down the set of equations. First on the ball, on the ball 2. So JT is equal to 2mv2x. Then on the ball 1, initially they are at rest. Initially they are at rest. So J cos theta or we can write, yeah, J cos theta minus JT equal to mv1x, JT equal to mv2. J cos theta is equal to, you add up these two, JT, no, it should be, yeah, add up these two. So directly we'll get it. J cos theta no, is it v2x equal to v1x? Yes, it must be, no. V2x should be equal to v1x, or directly you can because they're connected by common string. So you write it. So J cos theta equal to 2mvx plus mvx or 3mvx. And J cos theta, value of J we know, 10 cos 30. So this will be root 3 by 2, 3. Mass is 5 into Vx.
Cos 60, sir.
Cos 60, huh? 1 by 2. Vx equal to 1 by 3 meter per second. I'll get it. Then similarly, we'll calculate Vy. So Vy will be J sin theta equal to mVy. J will be 10 sin 60 root 3 by 2 5 into V1y. Okay, till here, no problem. Okay, what we have to calculate is now the tension, the string. Did the string know this tension here have to be determined? We know the impulse JT set up in the string. Somehow, if you can get time, I think problem solved, no? So what is the JT? JT equal to tension the string into delta T. That delta T is what needed. Any possibility of finding out delta T? We can't find. What to do now? Okay, I'll take help of center of mass. In center of mass frame, how do this ball will appear to be moving? In the center of mass, so center of mass will be near to heavier mass. Sorry, it will be nearer to heavier mass. So let me put it. This is BC. So let me calculate first velocity of center of mass. VCY. I'm interested only VCY. So what is VCY should be equal to? VCY should be equal to mv1y by m plus 2m. So this will be 1 by root 3. So let me calculate v1c equal to v1y minus vcy. So v1cy, so v1y we know root 3. vcy is 1 by root 3. So this will be 2 by root 3. v1cy. Similarly, v2cy. v2y minus v0. v2y is 0. vcy is 1 by root 3. So in center of mass frame, how do these balls will appear moving? in C frame, the balls will be appearing. So this will move with a velocity v1cy. This will be v2cy. Then oil power required, it'll appear moving in this one in C frame, the balls will be appearing moving in circular path. So therefore the tension T is provided by the required one. So this distance, let it be R1. So what is the one best comment I should write? In C frame, balls will be moving in circular path. So therefore, for it to be circular path, oil power required centripetal force, the tension. So therefore, now the tension T should be equal to mass mv1cy whole square by R1. We don't know R1. I think we can use the center of mass concept. So this should be 2m R2 equal to m R1. 2 R2 equal to R1. R1 plus R2 is equal to L, where L is the length of the string. So we'll get the value of R1. R2 equal to R1 by 2. R1 equal to 2L by 3. Substituting this 3M. Substitute all the values now. 3, 5 kg, B1CY, 2 by 3 whole square by 2 into length of the string, 5 meter. Anybody value?
2, sir.
2 Newton. See, there's a use of the center of mass. Huh? See, sir, how do it will flash for me that I should use center of mass? See, nothing happened. Just try to see in lab frame. In lab frame, you are unable to do. Just jump to the center of mass. It's not that every problem you should do center of mass. You try to think in lab frame. If you find difficult in lab frame, come back to center of mass frame. Getting the idea? This will be, so here I'll show this. Again, it will be wrong conclusion. Let me have the same. Yeah, this is the center of mass. So the necessity of doing in C frame, what happened? It depends upon the question. It's not that every problem you should do in C frame. Because see, like in the lab frame, if the most of the information is available, okay, no need of C frame. So how the motion, so the motion of the how they will move in C frame, they'll move in circular path in that instant. In lab frame, how do it will move just after impact? Just after impact, they have velocities like this, no? So this will try to move like this. This will move towards right. Ball 1 will move in a plane. Ball 2 will move along x-axis. In C frame, they'll move in circular path. This is the most of the center of mass ideas will help us a lot in dealing with situations of like this. They're the main purpose of center of mass. That's why if you see in the iron mechanics, no, the center of mass is given more priority because sometimes the problem will become very